Here I have VIVO V20 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to enable video recording in 4K resolution. So firstly, you have to open your camera, then you have to switch to the video mode, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you can change your video resolution. You can set it on 720p, 1080p, and 4K resolution, like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.